Opening with a horrifying but eye-catching scene. Witness the wood crusher swallowing a huge tree trunk, opening with a horrifying but eye-catching scene. Now you will be eyes wide open at the giant, peeling the bark off the tree gently. Join us in invading the greatest wood processing factory. Admire the monster sawing, 1,000-year-old wood, revealing the priceless secrets hidden deep inside. Prepare to be eyes wide open at the beauty and extraordinary power of the top-of-the-line wood lathe. You won't be able to take your eyes off the skillful turning lines disappear in a flash. Witness the wood crusher. Gently crush pallets right before your eyes. In the blink of an eye, the sturdy wooden bars have transformed into a pile of smooth sawdust. Unbelievable. Revive discarded things. Do you have useless, dry tree stumps? Don't rush to throw them away. This wood crusher will magically turn them into valuable resources quickly. Save space. Protect the environment. So amazing. Don't miss this eye-catching video to witness the magic of crushing wood at super speed and, surprisingly, effectively. You will have to exclaim, "Wow!" at the hidden power of this machine. The made-in-Russia monster of a wood chipper, the Kedar M400, is shaking up the industry. You won't be able to take your eyes off this terrorist automatic machine with a powerful diesel engine and the ability to sweep through all terrains, from deep forests to streets. Chopping tree branches in the blink of an eye, transforming tree trunks into super-fast wood chips, crushing even tree bark. Kedar M400 is not just a machine, but a tornado of productivity, helping you optimize every stage of woodworking. Surprisingly fuel-efficient, smooth operation, reduced impact load. Kedar M400 proves its power without roaring. Don't miss this eye-catching video to witness this Russian machine demonstrate its incredible power and efficiency. You will have to exclaim, "Wonderful!" And tearing the wind to cut wood. Witness the fastest wood-cutting machine on the planet, beautifully chopping long tree trunks into 20-centimeter logs in a split second. You won't believe your eyes at this terrifying speed and power. The Super Dinosaur motor-assisted monster appears. The unparalleled power helps this machine sweep all types of wood. No tree trunk can resist its millennium slash. You will feel the shaking of heaven and earth when it operates. Horrifying, but satisfying. Witness this artistic destruction of wood. Each cut is decisive and neat, turning massive blocks of wood into neat logs. This is not just a machine, but a time machine in the wood processing industry. Don't miss this top-of-the-top video. You will admire the unbeatable power, lightning speed, and unbelievable efficiency of this dream woodcutter. Get ready to exclaim "Unbelievable" and share this amazement with your friends right away. The divine CNC technology has created this miracle. Don't miss this eye-catching video to admire the absolute precision and flawless beauty of the created wooden products. You will have to exclaim, "Wow, amazing!" Transforming wood to perfection. Witness the magical CNC machine, creating invisible grooves, connecting the wooden panels in an amazingly perfect way. You won't be able to find any gaps. Fascinated by every super-sharp CNC milling line on wood, witness the meticulous sculpting machine, turning a rough wooden board into a work of art exquisite to the millimeter. You will not be able to take your eyes off this absolute precision. Magic, turning wood into gold. From luxurious interiors to unique decorations, CNC milling machines open up an endless world of creativity for the high-quality wood industry. Overwhelmed by divine technology, Don't miss this eye-catching video to admire the pinnacle of woodworking, where meticulousness and technology blend to create million-dollar products. You will have to exclaim, "So awesome!" Miraculous's transporting wood on water. Can you believe it? Giant tree trunks gently float gliding on the river like magic. Easter. Smart solution for the wood processing industry. No more hard-working transportation on land now. Talented workers just need to gently control the boat, guiding the wooden friends smoothly back to the factory. Feast your eyes on this unique scene. Don't miss this relaxing but impressive video to admire how humans tame nature in a smart and effective way. You will feel strangely peaceful. Spectacular transformation. Witness the giant machine peeling off the scary rough bark of a tree in a lightning-fast manner that will make you not believe your eyes. In just a split second, the rough bark has disappeared, revealing an incredibly smooth tree trunk. From ugly to beautiful, this magical machine has performed a perfect major surgery on a tree. You will be gasping at this miraculous change. Don't miss this eye-catching video to witness the most impressive tree stripping ever. You will have to exclaim, "Unbelievable," at the power and efficiency of this machine. All right, check this out. You gotta see this crazy wood chipper in action. Giant logs. No sweat for this beast, man. It just chews them up like they're nothing. Prepare to be totally blown away by the raw power of this incredible machine. And get this, some smart dude out there actually built his own wood chipper from a tractor. Talk about some serious ingenuity, turning a regular old tractor into a wood-hungry monster. Huge respect for that kind of skill and vision, you know. Hands and feet are numb. Witnessing this earth-shattering giant tree which has gone through so many years to become this thick wooden treasure, you will feel breathless before its ancient beauty and grandeur. Love at first sight. If this super product piece of wood makes your heart skip a beat, comment number 1. If you still doubt its hidden beauty, feel free to comment number 2. The 1,000-year secret hidden deep in each grain of wood is waiting for you to discover. Join us in unveiling this rare and hard-to-find processing process to reveal the wonders that Mother Nature has bestowed. Don't miss the opportunity to time travel into this enchanting world of wood. Creepy witness, the reckless craftsman facing the ancient wooden dinosaur without any protection. Next to the giant of nature, humans are pitifully small. But don't worry. Let's travel through time with us to the moment of exploding emotion. Finally, the 1,000-year secret hidden deep in the superb colored wood will be revealed. You will be eyes wide open before this heart-stirring beauty. Don't miss this dramatic yet fascinating video, from danger to overwhelming beauty. You will experience every emotion. Eye-catching. Before the transformation of red wood into rare vases, you will not be able to take your eyes off the skillful turning lines, breathing life into the giant tree trunk, creating a breathtaking masterpiece of red vases. Overwhelmed by the enchanting red color, admire the unique beauty of wooden vases up close. The red color is as bright as a passionate flame, burning all eyes. This is not just a decoration, but a priceless work of art. From a rough tree trunk to a sophisticated masterpiece, witnessing this elaborate journey of transformation, you will appreciate even more the value of talented hands and the hidden beauty of wood. Don't miss this eye-catching video to admire the one-of-a-kind red wooden vase masterpieces. You will have to exclaim "amazing" and feel the soul of the wood in every line. Wonderful, right? Let's enjoy the results of this ingenuity and passion. With us? Don't forget to share your wow feelings below. Feast your eyes on the masterpiece of red wooden vase that has just been baked. Have you witnessed the miraculous process of transforming a rough tree trunk into a luxurious vase with a seductive red color? The unique beauty has just been unearthed. Admire each soft curve, each delicate wood grain of this one-of-a-kind vase. You will feel enchanted at first sight. So our journey to explore the exciting world of machinery and woodworking has come to an end. Hope you had a great time. If you love unique and impressive content like this, don't forget to click the subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next exciting videos. We will bring you more surprises and fun. Thank you for joining us.